Hello everyone, my name is 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐞𝐳𝐬𝐢. I am project manager in 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐞𝐳𝐬𝐢. Today, in the context of the Bio-Rural project and aquatic solutions, we would like to show you our progress with hybrid algae ponds and also innovative hybrid intensive and extensive resource recovery from small wastewater in small communities, which is also focused on nature-based solutions. A little bit of context first. 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐞𝐳𝐬𝐢 is an international water services provider with presence not only in Europe, but also in Latin America and Middle East and North Africa. And this is important because it is an international company with more than 44 million population served that is focusing its attention on nature-based solutions and algae as a wastewater treatment process. So these systems are receiving more and more attention, not only in the European Union, but also at the international level. Just also to mention that 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐞𝐳𝐬𝐢 also received an award on Best Water Company of the Year 2023 by the Global Water Intelligence ranking. And these rankings here are based on number of population served. Okay, so yeah, first I wanted to highlight the experience that 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐞𝐳𝐬𝐢 has with high-rate algae ponds, mostly on upscaling of these solutions for wastewater treatment. So there's been lots of different projects that today, because of limited time, it's not possible to go in very detail. But you can see here at the bottom the reference, the name of these projects. But we started with small pilot plants about 15 years ago, and the success of 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐞𝐳𝐬𝐢 has been to upscale these solutions into prototype demo sites and finally large demo sites. Here also, these solutions have been focused on wastewater treatment and harvesting of biomass for digestion, anaerobic digestion, production of biogas, upgrading of that biogas that has been later been used as biofuel to power a fleet of vehicles. And that's the pictures. Those are the pictures that show the cars at the bottom of the slide. Another slide just to show a few pictures of the hybrid algae ponds, highlighting the different locations, or most of them in the center of the peninsula or below the center of the peninsula in Spain. So they receive more insolation and more days of sunlight, more hours of sunlight. Important to highlight this one in the bottom, Chiclana, where there was actually a documentary on Netflix, A Brave Blue World, that you can see if you log into the platform Netflix. And today, we wanted to also discuss nature-based wastewater treatment, because in the context of the 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐼𝐧𝐬𝐼𝐧𝐬 project, European funded by the EU, there has been a new platform of new technologies created in Talavera de la Reina, in the center of the peninsula. So a little bit in the higher latitude than the other solutions or the other high-rate algae ponds that we described. And this one also has high-rate algae ponds. Here the link between both solutions. And you can see here in these pictures, on the top, the infograph at the beginning with the wastewater treatment plant in Talavera de la Reina, and the platform that has been built, and the picture drone view of this platform with the platform as it has been built. So the purpose of the concept behind this project was to find a middle ground between intensive technologies that they require lots of energy consumption for wastewater treatment, but on the other hand, they have a low footprint, and extensive technologies that usually require large footprints, but have a low energy requirement. So we are, both of them have their own niches, their own uses, but there is a little bit of a gap in between these two types of technology, and that's where we are looking at intensifying extensive technologies. to try to meet a middle ground in around 0.2 kilowatts hour per cubic meter of wastewater and 1 square meter per PE. Just to mention about the project, that we have 8 international partners. Quality network, we have 3 different research and development centers, and we have small and medium enterprises. I wanted to highlight this because it's also related to the bio-rural concept. Now, these small and medium enterprises look at wastewater treatment in small communities. In many of them are rural and remote communities. So these technologies are also focused on having a less skilled labor that is more difficult to find in these communities, and also with less intensive maintenance, which is also a challenge in these locations. To continue a little bit explaining the platform, highlighted in red here are the high-rate algae ponds that we're looking in Talavera de la Reina, which has a different insulation, so that's part of the test that we are doing here. But yes, we have many different technologies that I know I will not go into detail, but I will show some pictures. And I think that the important thing is that all of them are scaled up to 125 population equivalents, which means that visiting the platform, it's possible to see the area, the surface requirements for each of these technologies. So it's possible and easy to do a quick comparison for municipalities or for those engineers or practitioners who are interested in implementing this solution. So we have all these sort of technologies within the same platform, so we can do a quick comparison on performance, on operation and maintenance cost, or requirements, and surface requirements, for example. Just a few pictures now on what was designed initially on the top, what was finally built, and here in the middle there is this hill where it's possible to have a nice view of the different technologies within the platform. Just a brief description of the technologies. Here on the left, we distributed by gravity. On the center, this picture in the center, there's a flow anaerobic sludge blanket reactor, a UASB, that acts as pretreatment for some of the technologies, whereas other nature-based solutions in the platform receive raw wastewater, can deal with raw wastewater directly. There is some hybrid technologies, so we have trickling filters, we have compactor combined with vertical flow constructed wetlands to capture biosolids from these technologies. Here it's possible to see the microalgae or the high-rate algae on the top right, floating wetlands on the top left. We have such wetlands, not possible to see here, but they treat the vertical flow wetlands to remove accumulated sludge from the wastewater treatment plant. Hybrid systems, as I was commenting, between biofilm systems and constructed wetlands. We have lots of different types of constructed wetlands, some of them more classic or that can act as control to assess the performance, such as French system, or to stage vertical flow constructed wetland systems. And then we have intensified wetlands with forced aeration, horizontal flow, or vertical flow in different stages. So you have lots of different types of wetlands and other type of systems. And here I wanted just to show a view, a drone view of the platform. It's possible to see the size of different areas, the floating wetlands, hybrid systems that I was commenting. This hill in the center, where we have a UASB integrated, and then in the back end, different ground have been developed. And just wanted to show this video to let you know that you are all invited. If you are interested in this presentation, please contact us. My email was at the beginning of this presentation, or you can contact bio-rural and then get back to us. We would be welcoming. We would be happy to welcome you to the in-text platform in Talavera de la Reina. Thank you very much.